Waikato, ko Angus ia. He is Angus.
And Moratara Winden School, ko Dylan ia. He is Dylan. Welcome to the NEWS News for Rahina, the 22nd of February.
Okay, Riki into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is rika, which is te rere for yummy, sweet or tasty.
As in, tinu rika te inu. This drink is sweet.
Oh, can I please have some of that te inu rika, that yummy drink?
Sure. It's rika, which is te rero for sweet or yummy, sweet or tasty.
On to health and safety news. UV forecast today is high from 12 o'clock until 4 o'clock.
Protection is required from 10:30 until 5:30. Keep your hands off the UV index arrow koto. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And ice packs. If you use an ice pack because of an injury or sprain, make sure the ice pack is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime.
Ka pai. And a reminder that those sandpit toys go back into the sandpit at the end of break times too.
Alrighty. That's it for today from everyone here at the NEWS News. Ka ki te popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā, Wilton School, and stay sharp.